Morning students, let's start today's class with Brahmana. Swastham. We are going to discuss the last part of the lesson, the swimmer who does not need her legs. Before going to today's lesson, we will recapitulate or discuss what we have studied in the previous classes through some question and answers. Where did Janki go with the help of Thimaya National Academy of Adventure? After her training in Bangalore, Janki went to Malpe with the help of Thimaya National Academy of Adventure. Who was Stilla's teacher? How was Janki helped by him? Anyhow, Janki went to England with her parents and started practicing in the English Channel. In the English Channel, the coach of Janki was Stilla's teacher, the famous channel coach. Janki trained there for 3 weeks under him, and Stilla's teacher helped Janki to practice with all the difficulties in the English Channel. What does Janki's Maritime Express mean? Janki was allowed to swim in a relay team. She was the only handicapped person in the team, whereas all other 5 members were strong and they were healthy. They were physically normal. So, in honor of Janki, they named their relay team as Janki's Maritime Express. Why were the officials of Channel Swimming Association shocked? When Janki went to England and started practicing in the English Channel at Dover, the Channel Swimming officials saw in their lifetime for the first time that a physically disabled person was trying to swim across the English Channel. So it shocked all the officials of Channel Swimming Association. They saw for the first time that a physically disabled person was trying to swim across the English Channel. So they were quite shocked. What were the feelings of Janki's parents when she was crossing the channel water? On the day of unique event, the parents of Janki, Mr. Nagappa and Mrs. Indrama, stood on the Dover beach and they were anxious to know the result. They were anxious to how to complete the event of their daughter. So they could not eat a small piece of food. At the old age, it was very agonizing for the parents of Janki. Now, I would advise you to see your book and follow my reading. Janki, who is a bank officer in Bangalore, has a simple philosophy. I have always wanted to do something worthwhile in life. I strongly believe that the word impossible is applied to something that has not been tried. I wanted to prove that to be handicapped is no bar to success. One can overcome all obstacles by hard work, determination, courage, and self reliance. Self reliance is very important. God helps those who help themselves. Lastly, there is one more thing I would like to say. There is really no shortcut to success. I have collected some of the difficult words for you from the paragraph. Let us discuss the words one after another. Philosophy, the noun form, any personal belief about how to live or how to deal with a situation. Example, self-dependent was the only philosophy of my elder brother. Worthwhile, being worth the time or effort spent, or wiseable. Example, see the example, the money is for a worthwhile reason. It is worthwhile to fix my computer. Impossible. You see here, possible is added with im. The prefix im is added to possible and the negative meaning comes out when it is added with im. Impossible means possible, negative meaning is impossible. Similarly, proper, improper, negative prefix, it is called negative prefix. Correct, incorrect, not im here, incorrect, correct, incorrect, proper, improper, impossible. Bar means something that obstructs or prevents passage or progress or action. Example, his poor attitude was a bar to his success. Overcome, verb use, to get the better of. Example, they overcame the enemy. Overcame the enemy. Obstacle means something that stops progress. Example, he overcame the obstacles of poverty and progress. Determination, the act of deciding definitely. Example, my mother is a woman of great courage and determination. Self-reliance, an ability to do things and make decisions by oneself without other self. These are the difficult words and their meanings. Now, I would advise you to read the paragraph, last paragraph, silently once. Okay. Thank you. Now, we will discuss the last part, last paragraph, last point in detail. Janki, who is a bank officer in Bangalore, has a simple philosophy. Philosophy means any personal belief about how to live or how to deal with a situation. So, she has a simple philosophy. I have always wanted to do something worthwhile in life. Janki thought to do something worthwhile or exemplary in his life. I strongly believe that the word impossible is applied to something that has not been tried. She said in her philosophy that impossible is applied for something that has not been tried. If you try for something, you must get success for it. So she said, impossible is applied to something that has not been tried. I wanted to prove that to be handicapped is low bar to success. Janki said she was handicapped in polio. Both her legs were paralyzed. She was handicapped. Still, she dreamed to swim across the English Channel, and she tried for it and got success. So she said her philosophy was, although she was a handicapped is no bar to any success. One can overcome all obstacles by hard work, determination and courage and self-reliance. She said, one can overcome all the obstacles, bars, by hard work, determination, courage and self-reliance. Self-reliance is very important. She said, self-reliance, believe on oneself. That is self-reliance, rely on yourself. Self-reliance is very, very important. God helps those who help themselves. She said, Janki said, God helps those who help themselves, who does for himself. God helps those persons. Lastly, there is one more thing I would like to say. There is really no shortcut to success. Lastly, Janki said that really there is no shortcut to success. That means to get any success, you have to struggle a lot. You have to labor hard. You have to be confident on getting the success for it. So this is the paragraph, last paragraph we have studied. Now I would like to ask you some questions. What work did Janki do in Bangalore? In Bangalore, Janki was working as a bank officer. What did she want to do in life? Janki, the philosophy of Janki says that she wanted to do worthwhile, something exemplary in her life. How can one overcome all obstacles? One can overcome all obstacles by hard work, determination, courage and self-reliance. Self-reliance is very, very important in one's life. This is all about today's lesson. I will send you the question answers through the lesson, and I will send the long question and answers with it also. So hope you will prepare them for the coming examination. Thank you.